Hi friends! Welcome back to our art channel. I'm Krishna, and today I'm teaching my 4-year-old sister, Gianna, how to draw a super cute flower. If you want to learn how to draw this flower too, make sure to watch this video till the end. I post fun art videos every week, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start drawing our cute little flower. We're going to make a circle in the middle of our paper. You can make it right here. Okay. Great job. Now we're going to make petals. We'll make like a U shape. Yeah, and then we'll just do the same thing. You can keep on going. Now we're gonna make our little flower's face. Yeah. I'll make a little smile.
I'm making cheeks.
I'm gonna make the same thing that you did. And we're going to make a U shape. It's like a U shape here. We're going to connect that with the curve. And then we'll do the same U shape here. And then we'll connect it with the curve. And then we'll make the inside of the eyes. And we'll make little shinies inside. On this side. It's like cute. Okay, then we'll color in this part. Don't color in the wrong part. Yeah. Great job. Okay, now we're gonna make our flower stem. But for this, we're gonna switch our colors. Do you want me to close that for you?
No.
So I'll give you a dark green, and we're going to make the stem with a dark green color. Open up it.
Even the leaves.
Yeah, even the leaves. So we're going to just make a line down.
Okay.
And a little leaf.
We need to color it.
Here. And make another curve. Great job.
We need to color it too.
And we'll make a little thing inside. I don't know what to call it.
You need to do this.
Yeah, we're gonna color it with a lighter green.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm going to make the grass. So we are going to get out our light green marker. And we'll make little zigzags. Can you do that?
Oh, it looks light.
Does it need to be perfect? Okay, great job. Now we are going to fast forward this part and we're going to color our little flower.
Yes.
Let's start coloring.